Chime is a popular financial technology app that provides users with simple banking services like a checking account, savings account, and a secured credit card. It is a very popular app because of its simplicity and user-friendly interface. While Chime simplifies the banking process for its users, you might need some extra help if you are facing a cash crunch. Legit cash advance apps that work with Chime. Although they seem like an obvious option, payday loans are actually very dangerous. That is why you should be looking at cash advance apps because of their simpler processing and prompt service. If you use Chime, then you have to search for cash advance apps that work with it for easier processing. Here are some of the popular cash advance apps that work with Chime. Number 1. Albert. Albert is one of the most popular cash advance apps that is compatible with Chime. It does not have any processing or late fees. You can get an advance of up to $250, which you can repay with your next paycheck. Albert is not a bank itself, and the banking services are provided by Sutton Bank. It deposits the advance directly into your Chime account. Pros. The funds deposited in Albert Cash and Albert Savings are FDIC insured. Users can get up to 20% cashback when they buy gas, groceries, and more with an Albert debit card. Cons. The free version of Albert does not include personal finance tips and rewards. Number 2. Clio. Similar to Albert, Clio is one of the cash advance apps that will work with Chime. There are no processing fees when you are trying to obtain a cash advance in the Clio app. A user can get up to $100 cash advance through Clio. Pros. Clio has many helpful features that assist users in building credit and escaping overdrafts. It provides the users with tools that encourage savings and prepare budgets. Cons. The cash advance feature of Clio is not free. Users need to subscribe to Clio Plus or Clio Builder by paying a monthly fee of $5.99. Clio charges an additional fee of $4 for express transfers. Number 3. Empower. You can easily connect your Chime account to Empower because it is one of the cash advance apps that is compatible with Chime. You can get an instant credit of up to $250 on the app. Empower is a very popular cash advance app and has provided advances of over $400 million. Pros. Empower does not charge any interest on the money it advances. There are no late fees charged if you make a delay in making payments. It has a debit card called Empower Card that has no overdraft fees, and users can get an express delivery of the cash advance on the debit card. Cons. The cash advance features are not free, and users need to enroll in a monthly subscription of $8 after a 14-day trial period. Number 4. Varo. Varo has a financial management system and is one of the best cash advance apps that work with Chime. It helps users to control their money through contactless Varo Bank Visa debit cards and branchless 247 mobile banking. Depending on your usage, you can get up to $100 instant cash advance. Pros. Users can get up to 6% cash back for using Varo cards. Every time the cashback amount hits $5, Varo automatically transfers the amount to your bank account. Varo has high-yielding savings accounts that pay interest. Cons. The criteria for receiving cash advances are complicated. You can only qualify when your account is active for over 30 days. A cash advance is only available to those who have received $1,000 in direct deposits in the last 31 days. The user must have their Varo Bank debit card linked to their Varo Bank account. There is a tiered fee structure for cash advances. Number 5. MoneyLion. MoneyLion is a comprehensive banking platform and is one of the best cash advance apps that work with Chime. Similar to Varo, MoneyLion's cash advance limits depend on direct deposits. A user can get an advance of up to $250. Pros. MoneyLion has different financial products, and users can get an advance of up to $1,000 if they sign up with them. If you have a MoneyLion debit card, you can get access to instant cash advances. Cons. Users have to pay 3% to 5% of the total cash advance amount as fees. Number 6. Dave. Dave can be considered among the best cash advance apps that work with Chime. It is widely popular because of its extra cash feature that allows users to get a cash advance of up to $500. The process is prompt, and you can easily transfer funds to your Dave spending account to spend the money you received. Pros: there is no interest or credit check required for getting a cash advance in Dave. You can spend the money instantly through the Dave Debit MasterCard. There is no waiting period or problem with low balances. Cons: Dave charges a subscription fee, although it is only $1 per month. There are additional fees for the instant transfer of funds. Number 7. Branch. Although Branch is one of the cash advance apps that work with Chime, you need to put your direct deposits into the Branch account to qualify for a cash advance. It is a complete financial management tool that provides advances of up to $500 against the wages earned by a user. Pros: Branch has multiple financial wellness tools that can be used by companies and incorporated into their policy structure. It can act as a comprehensive system for managing the finances of all employees. Users can get cash advances of up to 50% of their paycheck limited to $500 that get automatically deducted during the next payday. There are no fees involved in these advances. Branch cards are debit cards that come with a free checking account and digital wallet that can be used to pay bills and make purchases. There are no overdraft fees or minimum balance requirements for these cards. Cons: the mobile app of Branch often faces disturbances that create problems with the cash advances. Number 8. Clover. Clover is a cash advance app that works with Chime. It is a good option if you require some extra cash before payday and allows you to get up to $100 without paying any fees. Pros: the sign-up process is very simple and fast. The user simply needs to provide their personal details, link their bank account, and verify their paycheck to get started. You can win extra money in daily sweepstakes in the Clover app. Winners are announced daily and you get cash rewards. You can also earn points by adding information about yourself that gets converted to cash and increases your advance amount. Cons: to qualify for an advance, the user needs to have 3 consistent direct deposits in the last 2-month period. They cannot have any gap in employment and payments need to come from the same employer. Sometimes, when money is required urgently, asking your friends and family can become embarrassing. That is why a cash advance is often considered to be a convenient option to get cash quickly. Although they might seem useful, you should be careful about borrowing money from cash advance apps. Never borrow more than you can afford to pay back.